So what's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video of this wonderful shop build that I've decided to do. So just a little reflection, we did the workbench on episode 1, we did the storage compartment in the attic, we did drywall, and we also cut out the holes for the lights in the ceiling for episode 2. And now for episode 3, we are going to be doing texture on the walls just to try to hide like any small imperfections that might be there. And then also we're going to paint the walls just to give us more of a comfortable shop feel inside this 2-car garage. So I'm super excited about it, and I'm really excited to show you guys how it's going to turn out. So rather than me just rambling on and on, let's just jump right into it. So I kind of got ahead of you guys. Some of the wall is textured while other parts of it aren't. I'm in the process of doing it right now. And also I painted back behind the water heater just so I don't have to keep on pulling it off and putting it back on, so on and so forth. So I'm going to throw you guys on a time lapse right now where we're going to try to bang out half of this garage by tonight and then the other half tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys soon. So this morning when I woke up, I didn't think we would get to this stage in one day, but I ran to Lowe's for an hour to get some more paint. As you guys can see, it's missing over there. And when I came back, my dad and my girlfriend did an absolute number on this garage. So if we look down here, you can see pretty much where they got to. And I was working on this dark gray area down here, but yeah, it looks absolutely incredible. The red's going to need another coat, but the dark gray and the light gray looks like it's going to work with just one coat. But this morning when I woke up, I had to texture the whole ceiling on this side. I had to texture this whole wall. I had to texture the whole back wall back here. And like I said, I didn't think we were going to really get this far by the end of the day. So I think it's like 9:45 right now, and we're calling it quits. But tomorrow after work, we're going to jump right back into this thing and hopefully get all the walls finished and possibly start on the ceiling. So when we get the ceiling painted, then we can actually start putting in the lights and getting those things all wired up, ready to go. So that way we could have some decent lighting up in here. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll continue right along. So let's get to it. So I can't help but show you guys, but the lighting is officially done. It turned out absolutely incredible. It dims perfect, it looks perfect, the brightness is perfect, everything. So there it is all dim. I don't know if you can really tell, but I'll focus on one spot and then, yeah, you can't really see it because it automatically changes, but super sick. So yep, continuing right along. So I'm off work, it's a Friday night, and it's been rainy and windy for the past 2 nights or so. So the plan is tonight, since we can't really paint because it's not gonna dry, we are going to run some electrical. I have all the stuff down here. We're gonna run it all along this wall, up, over, around, back down, and across this wall. So yeah, let me just cut right to it. Let's get to work. Sometimes I don't quite understand people. This is a prime example of what I mean by that. So they fed the wires through the wall and they put this yellow expanding foam to, I guess, try to dampen it, or I don't even know. But they make things for it such as this that plug into the wall, and then you can feed your wires through it. You have an access panel right here, and you tie your conduit into right here and run it wherever you want to go. But instead they do stuff like this, and they ran it across and up over the ceiling, whatever. And that's how the electrical was previously wired. So we're going to get this addressed and make it look really nice. So let's get to it. Well, here we go. The garage is officially 100% painted. The conduit is ran for all the electrical. You can see it come up over there, back down, and it turned out awesome. There's a couple flaws, like this stuff I have to touch up, but for the most part, there's no complaints whatsoever. So yeah, I'm going to call it quits with the video, and we are going to actually do the wiring next video, and also put in some indirect lighting. We're also going to do the trim around the attic ladder, and then what else? I don't know, I guess we're going to also organize this thing so we actually have room to work. So I'm going to go ahead and paint up this spot just so the workbench can get thrown over here tomorrow and be in its final place, and then we'll get started on something else. So see you guys next video.